I want to explain to you what the heck is going on with the stock market right now, and I can't do that unless you know how important higher yielding dividend stocks are at this moment versus stocks that offer little or no yield. And when I talk about little or no yield, I mean stocks like the Magnificent Seven and their fellow traveler enterprise software plays. Why bring up the distinction? Because ever since October 23rd, the day that long-term interest rates peaked, higher yielding dividend stocks have been flying, while the Magnificent Seven have fallen behind. Now, for most of last year, this market was led by the Mag 7. But ever since rates peaked, no, they've lost their leadership. I want you to do this. I want you to consider the disparity between the performance of the S&P 500 with each member's stock equally weighted rather than market cap weighted. In other words, every stock's equal in size versus the Magnificent Seven. See, ever since rates peaked, confirmed by the Fed's following decision to stop tightening short-term interest rates, which, of course, the one it controls, look at what happened with the equal-weighted S&P 500. This is the version of the S&P where Apple and Microsoft have the same weighting as all the other 498 stocks. The equal-weighted S&P has beaten the Magnificent Seven index by 13.4% to 11.2%. That's 223 basis points, as the money managers would say. That's right. The leader for the last couple of months hasn't been the Magnificent Seven. Those stocks are underperforming the equal-weighted S&P 500 by what the pros would say is actually a significant margin. If you stuck with the 7 and your money manager, you actually lag behind the more pedestrian equal-weighted index that makes the 7 equivalent to the rest of the Lilliputians. Why is that? Because the market broadened away from the 7. Once interest rates peaked, investors started warming up to stocks that have dividend yields that might be less puny once we get rate cuts that we are expecting.
Jim Cramer, a name familiar to many in the stock market, has recently stirred the waters with a bold statement. Known for his incisive insights, Cramer has suggested that the Magnificent Seven, the tech giants that have been ruling the roost, are no longer leading the market. Let's take a step back. Who are these Magnificent Seven? They are Alphabet, Amazon, Apple, Facebook, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Tesla. Collectively, these 7 companies have been the vanguard of the tech industry, their stocks a beacon for investors worldwide. For years, they have dominated the market, setting trends, dictating the pace, and shaping the landscape of the global economy. But according to Cramer, the market is shifting. It's not that these tech titans are fading away. No, they're still formidable, they're still innovating, still growing. But, Cramer suggests, they're no longer the only game in town. Now, do these technology giants have a shifting horizon? Let's delve deeper. You've tuned into Magnificent Seven Investing, where we break down financial jargon into simple terms. Our mission is to keep you informed and prepared for the ever-shifting financial landscape. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of investing. Today we're discussing the changing dynamics of the market as pointed out by Jim Cramer. So, who are these new market leaders according to Cramer, you may ask? Well, let's dive in and find out. First, we have a company that's making waves in the tech industry. This one's a trailblazer in the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Their innovative approach to technology is setting them apart, and their potential to disrupt the market is immense. Next, we have a company that's revolutionizing the renewable energy sector. Their commitment to a greener and more sustainable future has seen them develop groundbreaking technologies that could change the way we power our world. As we move towards a more eco-conscious society, this company's potential to lead the market is indisputable. Moving on, we have a pioneer in the healthcare industry. Their work in gene editing and personalized medicine is groundbreaking, and their potential to transform the way we treat diseases is extraordinary. Their innovative approach to healthcare could not only change lives but also shake up the market. Then there's a company that's changing the face of e-commerce. Their innovative business model and customer-centric approach have seen them rise to the top, and their potential to dominate the market is undeniable. As more and more people turn to online shopping, this company's influence is set to grow. Lastly, we have a fintech company that's disrupting the financial industry. Their seamless digital banking solutions and innovative financial products are making traditional banking obsolete. As the world moves towards a cashless society, this company's potential to lead the market is clear. These new age companies have shown promising growth, but does it mean the end of the road for our Magnificent Seven? The Magnificent Seven have been industry pioneers and have shown remarkable resilience over the years. This resilience has been their cornerstone, their key to survival in an ever-evolving market landscape. But as we've heard from Jim Cramer, the market is shifting. The leaders of the pack are being challenged. So what does the future hold for our Magnificent Seven? Firstly, let's consider the adaptability of the Magnificent Seven. These companies have consistently demonstrated their ability to adapt to changing market dynamics, to innovate, and to stay relevant. They've faced challenges before and have always emerged stronger. So, while the current scenario may look daunting, we should not underestimate their potential to bounce back. Secondly, let's not forget the power of their brand. The Magnificent Seven are not just companies, they are brands that have earned consumer trust and loyalty. This brand power can be a significant advantage in their journey ahead. Lastly, Cramer's statements should be viewed as a wake-up call, an opportunity for the Magnificent Seven to reassess their strategies and realign their goals. It's a call for them to reassess their market positions, to innovate, and to reestablish their leadership. In conclusion, the future of the Magnificent the 7th of May be challenging, but it is far from bleak. These companies have the resources, the brand power, and the determination to adapt, evolve, and stay at the forefront of their respective industries. While the market dynamics may be changing, one cannot rule out the strength and adaptability of the Magnificent Seven. So what do you think of these new market leaders? Your thoughts and insights are valuable to us. Let's spark a conversation in the comments section. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Magnificent Seven Investing, and hit the bell icon for notifications on our future updates. Thank you for watching.